If you press right here, is it painful? If it's painful, there's a lymph node, two big lymph nodes right here. If you drain those lymph nodes, you will regulate your fluid flow to your sinuses. So if you have a sinusitis or you have a problem with your sinuses, you have to drain this. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can drain the lymph node that drains your sinus. Here we go. Use your thumb like this, and you drain it like that. Go in below, I go quite deep like this, and I squeeze that lymph node, draining it, because this lymph node is too big. If it's swollen and painful on the touch, it's too big. And if it's too big, you need to drain it to make it smaller, and then you drain that lymph node, and then you regulate the fluid flow to your sinuses. Because if this lymph node is too big, it will expand and give some pressure to your veins, your blood vessels, and your lymphatic system. So my name is Rune Aabø. I'm a lymph therapist and try to teach you how to get pain-free. So tag along if you subscribe if you want to learn more hacks, because I teach you to get pain-free. Go in below here and you drain it like that, and maybe you drain this lymph node in this area. If it's painful when you touch this lymph node, a little knob, you squeeze it like this, or squeeze it, there we go. Then you drain that lymph node, and the circulation to your lymphatic system, to your sinuses get better. So this lymph node and this lymph node, open it up. And if you see the next video, I will explain more how you can drain your circulation to your head. If you have a headache or migraine, just see the next video, and I will try to teach you to get pain-free for migraine or headache.